Okay, here's an update on the 1970 Corvette. We put some fenders on it. You can take a look at the fender installation is pretty much finished. This area right here is where the top surround meets the fender, and it's all been glued together. There's bonding adhesive, and which is essentially filler, and the filler and bonding adhesive is in place. The side grill's in place. If you look at the fit on the door, there's probably a little bit more fit on the door that I'm going to want to work on, but overall it's in place and everything's installed. I went ahead and installed the lower valence. It isn't totally finished. If you look right here on the passenger side where the lower valence meets the fender, there's definitely some fit that we're going to deal with once we get the bonding strip. We'll pull that fender in place, and that's the area where the inner fender panel needs to be patched. If you take a look, you can see there's a small piece missing, but on the other side it's finished, it's done. The seam needs to be filled, and on the driver's side you can see the seam here is pretty much roughed out, and those holes that were there for the flare that was mounted on top of the fender, they've been filled. This grill's been installed, and the door gap once again hasn't been messed with since I've installed the fender, but it probably will get a little bit of massaging. So overall, this is what it looks like, and this just gives you an idea of what the finished product's going to be once we're all done. Just wanted to give an update to anybody that was interested. Really, it's just documenting this stuff for myself to show the before and after. A lot of times when a car's finished, you never know where it started. This is a good indication of what we were working with from the beginning and the progress that we're making. All right, thanks.